May malaki kayong lupa o agricultural land o may nabili kayong lupa na agricultural land. Ngunit, mapapatayuan mo ba ito ng dream home mo? May good news po ako sa inyo. But before that, please like and share and comment po kayo or any suggestion po sa topic ko po today na land conversion.
Ang land conversion na ito ay nakapaloob sa DAR Administrative Order No. 1 Series of 2002 as amended by DAR Administrative Order No. 1 Series of 2019 and DAR Administrative Order No. 3 Series of 2021.
Yes po, tama po kayo. Pwede nyo na pong paggawan ng bahay ang inyong agricultural lot or agricultural land. Kung kayo po ang may-ari nito, pwede po kayong pumunta sa DAR. Mag-apply po kayo ng conversion from agricultural lot or agricultural land to residential lot. Pero po may restriction po tayo hanggang 500 square meters lang po ang allotted for residential lot. Pag more than that po, hindi na po pwede. At isa pa rin po, kailangan po, titirhan nyo po ang inyong bahay. Hindi po yun dapat gagamitin as commercial or industrial use.
Here are some requirements for DAR conversion application for home lot. Number 1, duly accomplished Form 4 land conversion. Kailangan po notarized po ito. Number 2, electronic copy of title or certificate of title as of June 15, 1988 up to the present. Number 3, directional sketch map na gagamitin ng ocular inspection team sa paglocate po ng home lot.
Magpunta lang po kayo sa DAR Regional Office para po doon po kayo mag-file ng application for conversion from agricultural land to residential lot. So doon nyo na rin po makukuha ang other forms na kailangan nyo sa application nyo. So, hingi na rin po kayo ng advice sa other requirements po doon sa DAR representatives na mag-entertain nyo po sa office nila. So, yun lang po. Sabay-sabay po nating alamin ang mundo ng real estate. This is Vilma Saito, real estate broker. Follow for more. Bye. Thank you. God bless po.